Toss-up 1. Chemistry. Short answer. In a hydrogen fuel cell, 2 moles of H2 are oxidized by 1 mole of O2 to form 2 moles of water. If the cell is 100% efficient, how many moles of electrons are transferred in this process? Answer 4. Bonus 1. Chemistry. Multiple choice. The polymerization of a 1,3-diene will produce a material that can be used to make which of the following polymers? W. Nylon. 10. Rubber. Y. Styrene. Z. Thermoplastic. Answer 10. Rubber. Toss-up 2. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following correctly describes why antifungal medications are often harder to design than antibacterials? W. Antifungals must target peptidoglycan. 10. Both fungi and humans are eukaryotes. Y. Bacteria and humans have similar cellular structures. Z. Most antifungals target chitin-building enzymes. Answer 10. Both fungi and humans are eukaryotes. Bonus 2. Biology. Multiple choice. Tunicamycin is a drug produced by some bacteria. It is used as a tool by molecular biologists because it induces eukaryotic cells to arrest at the G1 checkpoint of the cell cycle. Using this information about tunicamycin and your knowledge of the cell cycle, which of the following would you expect to observe in a tunicamycin-arrested cell? W. Activated APC protein. 10. Chiasmata. Y. Replication bubbles. Z. Spindle fibers. Answer. W. Activated APC protein. Toss-up 3. Energy multiple choice. Power companies estimate the overtime cost of designing, building, operating, and decommissioning a power plant in order to calculate which of the following? W. Intrinsic cost. 10. Comprehensive fuel cost. Y. Levelized cost. Z. Future versus present earnings. Answer. Y. Levelized cost. Bonus 3. Energy short answer. Identify all of the following 3 changes that would increase the half-life of a first-order reaction. 1. Increasing the starting concentration. 2. Decreasing the starting concentration. 3. Increasing the rate constant. Answer 3. Toss-up 4. Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following clays has the highest cation exchange capacity? W. Kaolinites. 10. Vermiculites. Y. Chlorides. Z. Aliphanes. Answer. 10. Vermiculites. Bonus 4. Earth and space. Short answer. Which two planets in our solar system have the highest fraction of methane in their atmospheres? Answer. Neptune and Uranus. Toss-up 5. Math. Multiple choice. Which of the following is correct about the symmetry of even functions? W. They are symmetric about the y-axis. 10. They are symmetric about the x-axis. Y. They are symmetric about the origin. Z. They do not necessarily have symmetry. Answer. W. They are symmetric about the y-axis. Bonus 5. Math. Short answer. For a line passing through the point 1, 0, -1, and parallel to the vector 2, 1, 4, give the parametric equations for x, y, and z. Answer: x equals 1 plus 2t, y equals t, z equals -1 plus 4t. Toss-up 6. Biology. Multiple choice. Amniotes became very well adapted to life on land. Which of the following is not an adaptation of amniotes to a terrestrial existence? W. Eggs resistant to desiccation. 10. Buccal pumping. Y. Water-conserving kidneys. Z. Thoracic breathing. Answer. 10. Buccal pumping. Bonus 6. Biology. Multiple choice. What facial muscle functions to enable blinking? W. Zygomaticus. 10. Orbicularis oculi. Y. Orbicularis oris. Z. Corrugator supercilii. Answer. 10. Orbicularis oculi. Toss-up 7. Chemistry. Multiple choice. Soda-lime glass accounts for 90% of the glass produced and can be made by mixing a modifier, or flux, with sand. Which of the following is an example of a soda-lime glass modifier? W. SiO2. 10. CaOH2. Y. Na2O. Z. MgO. Answer. Y. Na2O. Bonus 7. Chemistry. Short answer. Categorize each of the following 4 examples of isomerism as either structural isomerism or stereoisomerism: 1. Geometrical, 2. Ionization, 3. Polymerization, 4. Optical. Answer. Structural isomerism, 2, 3, stereoisomerism, 1, 4. Toss-up 8. Physics. Multiple choice. Which of the following laws or principles gives a physical interpretation for the sign convention used in Faraday's law of induction? W. Lenz's law. 10. Ampere's law. Y. Coulomb's law. Z. Gauss's law. Answer. W. Lenz's law. Bonus 8. Physics. Short answer. By number, give all of the following three statements that are true of Carnot engines. 1. Carnot's theorem limits the efficiency of engines to less than that of a Carnot engine. 2. The Carnot cycle consists of only reversible steps. 3. The concept of entropy arose from the limits stated by the Carnot cycle. Answer 1, 2, 3. Toss-up 9. Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following describes the ratio between the distance from a point to the center of a black hole and the circumference of a circle around the black hole? W. Less than pi. 10. Equal to pi. Y. Greater than pi. Z. Undefined. Answer. Z. Undefined. Bonus 9. Earth and space short answer. How much volcanic material, in cubic kilometers, does a volcano have to eject to be considered an 8 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI? Answer. 1,000. Toss-up 10. Biology. Short answer. What fluid, produced by ependymal cells, fills the space between the arachnoid and the pia mater as well as the ventricles of the brain? Answer. Cerebrospinal fluid. Bonus 10. Biology. Multiple choice. Bungarotoxin is a fast-acting lethal toxin that is the primary component of venom from the South Asian snake called acrite. It blocks nerve transmission at cholinergic synapses by competing with acetylcholine to bind irreversibly at the acetylcholine receptor. Which of the following would be least likely to also impact nerve transmission at the cholinergic synapses? W. A drug floods the synapse with a molecule that resembles acetylcholine and is able to bind at the acetylcholine receptor, but cannot be recognized by acetylcholinesterase. 10. A chemical covalently binds to the acetylcholine receptor and is not easily inactivated. Y. A chemical covalently bonds acetylcholinesterase at the enzyme active site. Z. A drug increases the level of acetylcholinesterase present at the synapse. Answer. Z. A drug increases the level of acetylcholinesterase present at the synapse. Toss-up 11. Math. Short answer. Under what arithmetic operation is the set of even integers not closed? Answer. Division. Bonus 11. Math. Short answer. An object is moving along a line in such a way that its position s at time t seconds is given by s equals 4t cubed minus 12t squared plus 24t. Determine the minimum velocity of the object in units per second. Answer 12. Toss-up 12. Energy multiple choice. Which of the following processes is used to produce additional ATP for the light-independent reactions of photosynthesis? W. Cyclic electron flow. 10. Lactic acid fermentation. Y. Glycolysis. Z. Beta oxidation. Answer. W. Cyclic electron flow. Bonus 12. Energy short answer. Assume we have two inlets to a hydroelectric plant's turbines. One inlet is at 50 meters depth, and the second inlet is at 80 meters depth. How much greater, by percentage, is the pressure at the deeper compared to the shallower one? Answer: 60% greater. Toss-up 13. Chemistry. Short answer. Identify all of the following four types of reactions that follow Zaitsev's rule. 1. SN1, 2. SN2, 3. E1, 4. E2. Answer: 3 and 4. Bonus 13. Chemistry. Short answer. Identify all of the following three statements that are true of nuclear chemistry. 1. Helium has a higher binding energy per nucleon than uranium. 2. Alpha particles have a +1 charge. 3. Beta- decay usually occurs in nuclei with an excess number of neutrons. Answer: 3 only. Toss-up 14. Biology. Multiple choice. All except which of the following can act as direct substrates for the production of acetyl CoA? W. Lactate. 10. Amino acids. Y. Fatty acids. Z. Ketone bodies. Answer: W. Lactate. Bonus 14. Biology. Multiple choice. Which of the following enzymes is unique to gluconeogenesis? W. PEP carboxykinase. 10. Pyruvate kinase. Y. Hexokinase. Z. Phosphofructokinase. Answer: W. PEP carboxykinase. Toss-up 15. Earth and space short answer. What is the name for the topography that is created through extension of crust, producing distinct horsts and grabens? Answer: basin and range. Bonus 15. Earth and space multiple choice. In the unified model of active galactic nuclei, what is the most important variable that determines what class of a GN is observed? W. Orientation angle. 10. Metallicity. Y. Supermassive black hole age. Z. Galaxy type. Answer. W. Orientation angle. Toss-up 16. Energy short answer. The presence of what class of compounds in nuclear reactors slows down the neutrons in the core, preventing the development of a potential nuclear bomb? Answer. Moderators. Bonus 16. Energy short answer. What extremely powerful biological oxidizing agent is used in photosynthesis to oxidize water and is named for its absorption maximum in the red part of the visible spectrum? Answer. P680. Toss-up 17. Math. Multiple choice. Two spheres with radii of 2 and 8 are resting on a tabletop so that they are touching. How far apart are their points of contact on the table? W. 2. 10. 4. Y. 8. Z. 9. Answer. Y. 8. Bonus 17. Math. Short answer. You are given that x times y equals 6 and x squared times y plus x times y squared plus x plus y equals 63. Calculate x squared plus y squared. Answer 69. Toss-up 18. Physics. Short answer. Identify all of the following 3 experiments that demonstrate the particle nature of light. 1. Photoelectric effect. 2. Dual-slit experiment. 3. Davis and Germer experiment. Answer 1. Bonus 18. Physics. Multiple choice. Which of the following is not featured in the Bohr model of the atom? W. Quantized energy levels. 10. Densely packed nucleus. Y. Atomic orbitals. Z. Electrostatic attraction. Answer. Y. Atomic orbitals. Toss-up 19. Biology. Multiple choice. During starvation, mussels convert most of the amino acids released from muscle breakdown to what 2 specific amino acids for use in gluconeogenesis? W. Arginine and glycine. 10. Arginine and glutamine. Y. Alanine and glutamine. Z. Glutamine and glycine. Answer. Y. Alanine and glutamine. Bonus 19. Biology. Multiple choice. If you were to selectively extract protein molecules from the H zone of a sarcomere, which of the following would be found in the extract? W. Actin. 10. Myosin. Y. Titin. Z. Tropomyosin. Answer. 10. Myosin. Toss-up 20. Chemistry. Short answer. Identify all of the following 4 elements that would burn red when subjected to a flame test. 1. Lithium. 2. Selenium. 3. Barium. 4. Calcium. Answer 1 and 4. Bonus 20. Chemistry. Short answer. A particular polymer has a chain length of 8. If the same conditions were used to create another polymer, with the only difference being that a difunctional initiator will be used, what would the resulting chain length be? Answer 16. Toss-up 21. Math. Short answer. 2 planes are orthogonal to each other. How many lines exist that are a given fixed distance d from both of these planes? Answer. 4. Bonus 21. Math. Short answer. Evaluate the following expression, the sum from n equals 1 to 14 of n squared. Answer. 1015. Toss-up 22. Physics. Short answer. By number rank the following 3 systems of materials, from lowest to highest, in terms of their coefficients of kinetic friction. 1. Rubber on concrete. 2. Human joints. 3. Ice on ice. Answer. 2, 3, 1. Bonus 22. Physics. Multiple choice. Which of the following statements is correct about the behavior of black bodies? W. At high enough temperatures, black bodies will stop emitting in the microwave region. 10. The Stefan-Boltzmann law relates the power radiated by a black body to temperature squared. Y. Approximating a human as a black body shows that most of a person's energy is radiated away as ultraviolet light. Z. Wien's law can be used to predict the color of a black body. Answer. Z. Wien's law can be used to predict the color of a black body. Toss-up 23. Earth and space multiple choice. What was the principal reason that the Kaptian model and the Shapley model of the size of the galaxy were incorrect? W. They only examined the distribution of stars and failed to examine the distribution of globular clusters. 10. They used data that was not sensitive enough to detect the faintest stars in the galaxy. Y. They failed to account for extinction due to dust. Z. They only examined the distribution of globular clusters and failed to examine the distribution of stars. Answer. Why? They failed to account for extinction due to dust. Bonus 23. Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following sets of values best approximates an average micrite limestone in a ternary diagram with n members? 1. Allochemical grains, 2. Chemical cement, 3. Microcrystalline matrix. W. 1. 10%, 2. 90%, 3. 0%. 10. 1. 25%, 2. 0%, 3. 75%. Y. 1. 75%, 2. 10%, 3. 15%. Z. 1. 50%, 2. 45%, 3. 5%. Answer. 10. 1. 25%, 2. 0%, 3. 75%.